Clover Reading, and today I have a special guest.
Hi, I'm Bella.
And today we're going to be taking basic English sentences and making them sound more natural and advanced. So Bella, what's the theme for today?
The theme is making weekend plans with friends.
Yeah, let's get into it. So the first scene is asking somebody to hang out. So what do you normally say?
I just say, do you want to go out?
Yeah, that's okay, but instead you can try, do you want to hang out this weekend? Or are you up for something this weekend? This is better because hang out just is a very simple and casual phrase that kids and adults can use. And are you up for is more like a soft invitation, and it makes the other feel like they can say yes or no without pressure.
So it's not being too serious, but like easygoing?
Yeah, exactly. It makes the other person feel more comfortable, and that's why fluent speakers use it. Scene 2 is saying when you're free. So, for example, I asked you, when are you free?
I'm free today.
That's fine, but instead you can try, I'm free today. Does that work for you? Or, I'm pretty open for today. When are you free? This is better because these sentences show that you are not just saying what your time is, but you're also caring about the other person's schedules. So it sounds more polite and respectful, like you want to plan together, not just tell them when you want to meet.
Oh, so that makes me sound more thoughtful.
Yeah, exactly. People love that. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Scene 3 is saying when you're not sure yet. What do you normally say?
I would just say, I don't know.
Yeah, we can upgrade that to something more polite. You can say, let me check with my parents first, or I'll let you know later, okay? This is better because I don't know, sounds like you're not very interested or not paying attention. But when you say, let me check first, it shows that you care and you just need more time, not ignoring the plan.
Oh, that's true. I don't know, it sounds a bit cold.
Yeah, exactly. These upgrades can help people feel like you're part of the conversation, and that really matters. So the last scene is we're suggesting a plan. So what do you normally ask the other person?
I normally just say, let's go to the park or somewhere.
Yeah, that's a great idea, but you could also say, how about we go to the park on Sunday? Or would you like to meet at the park this weekend? This is better because let's go can just sound more like a command, but how about and would you like to are friendly conversations that can make you feel like you're planning together, and that helps friendships grow stronger.
So it's not what I say, it's how I say it.
Yeah, exactly. Fluency isn't just about big words, but it's about sounding kind, natural, and thoughtful. So Bella, after today, how do you feel?
I feel like I can invite people without feeling like a robot all the time.
Yeah, that's the goal. English is about more than grammar, it's also about the connection.
You should really try to upgrade sentences. So what are your great fun plans?
Yeah, thanks for watching Clover Reading, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.
Bye!